Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Libra, stay the course, okay? Don't panic. Just stay the course. You are not on the wrong path. You're just having a bumpy start. So learn from your experiences and keep going. It doesn't necessarily mean na pag meron tayong mga obstacles or meron tayong mga challenging situations na pinagdadaanan ay tatalikuran na natin ang journey na yan, no? Or give up na tayo. Yun ang sinasabi dito ni Archangel Michael sa inyo. Don't panic, okay? Even if yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, it doesn't seem right or doesn't seem like it is a part of your journey, huwag ninyong pagdudahan yan because nasa tamang daan kayo, okay? So just stay in the course. Stay in the path, no, na you are treading. We have prioritized self-care. You do so much for others, okay? It's time for you to experience the love you deserve and let others help you. So, unahin niyo muna ang inyong sarili, Libra, so that ma-replenish ninyo ang inyong sarili, no? Magkaroon kayo ng kung anong kailangan din ninyong ibigay din sa iba, diba? Kaya prioritize your self-care muna, alright? Regain your focus. Trivial life matters are distracting you from your goals. So, Archangel Metatron and I are here to help you stay grounded. So, Archangel Michael and Archangel Metatron are working hand in hand sa ngayon, ano, para tulungan ka na maging focused ka, maging concentrated ka, no? At makaalis ka na doon sa being fragmented, no? Ang isip ninyo. What else? We have let it go. Yan, this situation no longer serves you. So, allow me to sever your energetic connections to the past so you can embrace the future. Panahon na para i-release mo ang inyong nakaraan, Libra. Kasi maaaring ito yung nagpipigil sa inyo para mag-move on kayo. Maaaring ito nagpipigil sa inyo para maging genuinely happy na kayo, no? So, sabi ni Archangel Michael sa ngayon, this situation no longer serves you, kaya nararapat na alisin mo na yan sa buhay mo. Tutulungan ka din yan na tanggalin na ang connection ninyo between each other, no? Between you and your past, no? Para nang sa ganyan makapag-move on ka na sa buhay. Open up to your spiritual gifts. Remember that your true nature is spiritual, not physical. So the angels are sending you messages to guide your soul's growth. Kaya importante na lagi kayo nakikinig, no, sa divine guidance, sa inyong intuition. Lagi ninyong papansinin ng mga signs, symbols, and synchronicities na nakikita ninyo because those are guidance sa inyo ng universe and ng inyong mga angels. Okay? We have be honest with yourself. All your feelings, even the difficult ones, have a message for you. So, accept your truth and let's first take it from there. Okay? Kung ano ang totoo ninyo nararamdaman, ano ang totoo ninyong iniisip, then yun ang i-express ninyo, yun ang lagyan ninyo ng words, no? Para malaman din ng ibang tao kung ano ang totoong saloobin ninyo. We have your loved ones are safe. Let go of your fear and worry for your loved ones. I am looking after them. Okay, Libra? Huwag kayong mag-alala. May promise dito si Archangel Michael sa inyo na wala kang dapat ika-worry, wala kang dapat na ikatakot para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay kasi He is looking after them. Inaalagaan niya sila, binabantayan niya, pinoprotektahan niya. Kaya wala kang dapat na ipag-alala. Okay? So, angels of healing are with you. A time of healing is about to bless your life. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. Ayan. So, maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito, Libra, baka meron mga dinaramdam sa katawan, physical ailments, or probably emotional, no, turmoil, mga ganon. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Okay? Sabi dito, angel of healing are with you, no? At tutulungan ka na magamot, no? Mag-improve ang inyong sitwasyon, mag-improve ang inyong pakiramdam, no? Yung ganon. We have make a decision. Are you choosing to prioritize yourself for another situation? Accept divine guidance pointing you toward your own joy. You deserve it. Ayan. So, maaaring merong importanteng decision making dito na kinakaharap kayo, no? Maaaring kailangan ninyong mamili between you and other people. Sino ba ang uunahin mo? Ikaw, kapakanan mo, kabutihan mo, or yung kapakanan or kabutihan ng iba. Okay? So, in that case, medyo mahirap-hirap na decision yan. Kaya, importante na makikinig kayo sa inyong intuition. Because your intuition will guide you kung ano ang best para sa'yo. Okay? Be the real you. Ayan, be honest with yourself. Tapos, be the real you, Libra. Siguro ang iba sa inyo dito, hindi nagpapakatotoo talaga sa sarili ninyo. Maybe you are not honest enough sa sarili ninyo. Kaya sabi dito, your greatest power comes from being who you truly are. Don't let anyone sway you from expressing your authentic self. Okay? Kaya good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.